You may not have heard, but Bose just released their high-tech solution to compete with earplugs, which they are ingeniously referring to as Sleepbuds. We got our hands on a pair and we're going to set them up and take them for a spin. With the Bose Sleepbuds just being released to the general public, I went ahead and called up the local Bose store to hold me a set. I just picked them up and let's go ahead and open them up and see what we got. So one thing I'd like to point out though, that these are noise masking Sleepbuds. They're not noise canceling like the QC series headset. So noise masking, imagine sounds like a white noise machine. So there's 10 different sounds and you'll see later in this video. So it's just helping to drown out any of that background noise when you're trying to relax. Upon opening the box, you see the Bose earbud charging case. It's about the size of a hockey puck. Cool metal feeling to the touch, very solid construction. When you open the case, it's on a guided rail. Even more impressive is the light show that you get when you open the case, showing the charging indication for each of the earbuds, as well as the battery level of the case itself. One of the nicest features is that the buds easily snap back into place with magnets, and then the charging indication light immediately lights up. The size of the earbuds is very small, as you should expect from something that goes in your ear while you're trying to sleep. The case charges with a USB micro B port on the back, just like the QC35, so I guess we're not moving towards Type-C anytime soon. The box does include small, medium, and large earbuds to find that perfect fit, as well as a charging cable, USB wall adapter, and of course, a drawstring travel bag. The setup instructions are brief, directing you to your respective app store to download the Bose Sleep app. I personally felt that setup should have been a lot easier. After multiple attempts, the app finally suggested that I toggle airplane mode, and then miraculously, pairing was complete. After pairing, there was an update to download, which took a solid 10 minutes. Total setup time was probably around 15 to 20 minutes, so you might want to set these up before you plan to use them. At time of launch, there were 10 sounds to choose from. My personal favorite is altitude, but you have the choice of various water and other nature sounds. Without further ado, let's give them a whirl. For me, they felt very comfortable in the ear. They don't protrude at all. I do like that there's no suction like typical earbuds, but that could mean you'd still be able to hear loud noises. And now for the final test, I did use these for a few nights to see if they're actually worth the $250 price tag. While sitting upright or laying on your back, they're the most comfortable things in the world. I personally found that there was just a little bit of discomfort pushing inward on the ear, which I'm sure can differ depending on the type of pillow you use. Personally for me, if this was my only complaint, I would think they're phenomenal. But as I am a side and stomach sleeper, I noticed something that seemingly appears to be an incredible oversight by Bose's design team. On the side of the bud, there's a circular piece of plastic with Bose's logo. That piece of plastic makes a squeaking noise when rubbing against fabric. And for me, the sound actually woke me up multiple times in a night, defeating the whole point of this product. Now, I did try multiple fabrics to rule out the possibility of me using cheap pillowcases, and on every fabric, the same result. And it sounds like this. So if you don't move your head at all when you sleep, or if you're a back sleeper, these could be the best product in the world for you. And if you do decide to pick up a pair through Amazon, please use my affiliate link below. It really helps me out. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to help this channel grow, and we'll see you next time.